Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into another small portion of the Capri Tools website. So I just recently released a video on the Capri Tools reward yourself portion. Basically you spend a certain amount, not only are you getting that 5% back, or not 5% back, but 5% in rewards on your account, but depending on what you spend, you can also earn yourself a free gift or an addition to whatever else you purchase. So that's cool. If you haven't checked that video out, go ahead and check that out. Other than that, we're going to be moving into some of these new releases. So here they have the Max Chrome Mini Wrench Set. So here's the metric and SAE version. So they're ultra low profile wrenches, chrome vanadium steel. Wrench head is tipped at a 15-degree angle. Sizes from 3.2 to 13 millimeter and from 3/16 to ½ inch. I can't say I've necessarily used a 3.2. So definitely a good selection. And then the metric, that is what you're looking at. So $30 for the metric set, $30 for the SAE set. You do get one more wrench in the metric set, and then the master set is going to be $60. I think that's a good price for some low profile mini wrenches. And it does come in that nice foam organizer with the nice, it's kind of like a plastic material almost. On this EVA foam, it has like a coating over the top, so it doesn't absorb a lot of oil. It's actually a really nice organizer. Another item being the Arctic backpack cooler. This is one of the gifts if you spend $500 on the Capri Tools website. This is an item that you can select, so a nice little addition. It's a $55 cooler. Another new item, which I will be actually reviewing very soon, so stay tuned for that video. This is the 3/8 Stubby Impact Socket set. They have ½ inch as well, I believe. This is the SAE for $40, the metric for $45. A nice set, and Stubby Impact Sockets can be very, very handy. This set being from 8 to 22, 20% shorter length than your standard shallow sockets. Premium chrome moly coated with magnesium phosphate for superior protection. Their 6-point wave drive designed to help prevent rounding off fasteners and really grabbing fasteners. And then it comes with that lifetime guarantee, and once again a nice little EVA foam organizer for that as well. And there you can kind of see just how short these shallow sockets or stubby sockets are. And for the price of $40 and $45, I think that's a great buy as well. And then another thing Capri Tools has just released, this is if you spend $250, I believe. $200. You spend $200 and you get to select from one of these 3 Chemical Guy products. I've used the Snow Foam, the Honeydew Snow Foam, and the Nonsense Invisible Cleaner. Both of those have worked very well. I haven't used the Orange Degreaser. I haven't used that one, so I can't share my thoughts with you, but good pricing there. That's your standard pricing that you'll find it basically anywhere else. And then they also have just in a Capri Tools patch. So if you're into patches, you got a jacket or a work shirt or anything, and you like Capri Tools, this is now an option. And then the last thing that says just in is this Panther 30-liter backpack set. So you're going to receive the backpack, a ½ inch drive flex head ratchet, and this is at $80. So that pack and that ratchet alone, I would say you're nearing $80. So I think that's a great deal. Wire stripper cutter, you got this one right here. Then you have a case of terminal connectors. Not sure how many, 107 piece, so a good amount of connectors there. You get a couple of magnetic parts bowls, premium polishing pads, which is really nice, and then a 16-ounce tumbler. They had something similar to this a while back. They might still have it, but to me it just didn't seem like a very good deal. This seems like a much better deal, $80, and you get the ratchet, pack, stripper, magnetic parts bowl, connector. That's a pretty good deal right there, if you ask me. So that's really it as far as the items that say just in. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. I just did a video on these wave drive stubby wrenches, so if you haven't seen that, go ahead and check it out. I've also went over the master 3/8 drive socket set with the mid-length impact sockets as well. a lot of great stuff at the Capri Tools website. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on the Capri Tools, and if you've recently ordered anything and your thoughts on them. And then if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.